Sky-high cannabis funding. Conventional banks are not a good place to look for loans for high-risk industries. Over 89% of business applications are denied by the big banks. High-risk industries are subject to stricter underwriting guidelines, and restricted industries can't get any money from traditional lenders. For restricted industries, the decline is automatic. Still, there are a lot of loans businesses in high-risk industries can get. They are usually not coming from banks. Get access to $25,000, $50,000, or even $100,000 in initial funding. Peer-to-peer lending is a viable option, and so is unsecured business financing. Let's look at Gud Capital. They are a commercial loan broker. They offer private loans with rates of 8 to 25%. These loans have 1 to 3 year terms. Get funding in 7 to 14 days. They also offer real estate loans with rates of 8 to 20%. These loans have 1 to 5 year terms. Get funding in 30 to 60 days. They offer equipment leasing with rates of 8 to 20%. These leases have 1 to 7 year terms. Get funding in 5 to 14 days. They also offer cash advances. These advances have factor rates of 1.3 to 1.49 and 4 to 12 months terms. Get funding in 1 to 2 days. Find them online at gudcapital.com/cannabis-business-loans-dispensary-financing-and-marijuana-industry-investment. Let's look at Diamond Business Loans. They are a direct lender offering unsecured lines of credit, term loans, and equipment leasing and financing. Diamond serves established and startup cannabis businesses. They offer loans from $25,000 to $150,000. 1 year term is 5.9% or more. Their 5 year term is 19.99% or more, and their lines of credit run 0% to 9.99%. Their requirements are no collateral. There is no minimum time in business requirement. You must have a FICO score of 680 or better, and you can have no late payments or bankruptcies. Find them online at diamondbl.com. Let's check out Gud Capital. They are a marketplace to connect borrowers with lenders. This is also called peer-to-peer lending, and they are also a direct lender. Plus, they can also combine 2 types of funding. Gud Capital serves industries like medical and cannabis. They offer business cash advances and merchant cash advances. $10,000 to $5 million is available. There is a 24-hour turnaround. Their requirements are an average monthly revenue of $10,000 or more, a business bank account, 4 or more months of business bank account statements, and fewer than 7 days with a negative balance per month. Find them online at gudcapital.com/business-loans-landing. Let's recap. It's not easy to get funding for the high-risk cannabis industry. Traditional bank doors are virtually closed to you. Unsecured business financing can work, and so can peer-to-peer lending. Do some creative searching to find lenders for your business.